Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. I'm doing a pink marble Christmas kawaii nails, and initially I wanted to use these two Be poly gels because they're so beautiful, always gorgeous and diamond red. But because I'm not sure if it will go with what I have in my mind, I'm going to put it to the side and keep it just within arm's reach. For this set, I'm going to be using these two Be Glam poly gels. I'll have the video linked where I unboxed this kit. These poly gels are my absolute favorite I've ever used, the best to work with. You can just tell by the one on the left I've used it so much. Now, because these nails are freestyled, what I had in my mind initially was to just get all my massive Christmas winter charms and just do a nice marble base on my nails, make them long, pink, glossy, glittery, and then just throw all these massive Christmas charms on them and just scatter them everywhere, almost like junk nails. So I got all my Christmas and winter charms out, but then I looked over and I saw my pink, sweet, kawaii charms. Oh my god, guys, look, it's me. I couldn't resist. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist them. So I just said I'll bring them out, just keep them to the side, you know, and get these. Oh, guys, look at these snowflakes. They're so pretty, aren't they? I got them in my 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐵 haul, my Christmas 𝐁𝐿 haul. Guys, go watch it. I'll put it in the cards. I worked so hard on that video. So you guys need to show me some love there. But yeah, let's just get straight into these nails. I'm using my good old-fashioned, tried and tested technique for marbling. I've done a few polygel marble videos. I have some links if you guys want to watch those. My technique's the same. I haven't changed it. You know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And also, the technique is super beginner friendly. Like, this isn't a joke. It's so easy. Anyone can do it. These nails can be done so quickly. If you're looking for like a quick, really pretty set of nails, or like you want an idea, my go-to foolproof thing is just get some marble. Just marble your nails. One of my major tips when doing marble nails, especially with polygel, is after you've swirled it together, don't drag it with the brush. Always pat it in place. It might take a tiny bit longer, but it's worth it because whenever I drag, it just makes the nails like all mushed together. So yeah, friends, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and join me on this nail journey. And I've got a lot of surprises, a lot of big surprises and changes coming soon, and you don't want to miss it. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll let you guys listen to some music and I'll talk to you in a bit.
Girls on in that area, you 2 feet shut down that now. You know one put those for going on in the danger, making the trash to be mental. My boss babe to pass your level, you too sweet past sugar level. Your body don't start to me and my girl show for the center, me call my louder. Turn it up, you must bring the heat, I'm on I know the beat now. Hurry, hurry, hurry up, you must put it on my lead now. We go higher, to the sky, we know retire. We don't get tired. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left with you ain't got nothing on me. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left with you ain't got nothing on me. My girl gang, them my girl gang. Yeah, we run down them my girl gang. Where your girl gang. Ah yeah, my girl gang. Them my girl gang. Yeah, we run down them my girl gang. Where your girl gang.
Woo! Ooh, who else was enjoying that? Who else was enjoying the music? Guys, I'm over here dancing and editing, just Literally, like I could run my own radio station or like be a DJ. I could see myself doing that. That was 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐵 Girl Gang. Stay tuned for more top hits. No, wait, let me try again. And that was 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐵 Girl Gang. Stay tuned for more. But yeah, let me be serious. So I filmed my thumb separately, like vertically, for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. As I was doing it, I just, you know when you're just freestyling and you're like in a creative mode and like, yeah. My mind just like flashed back to a set of nails I saw that had this crescent tip. And I thought, why not give it a go? Like, this is like a freestyle creative set. Like, I'm just letting my creative juices flow. Let me just try it. No tutorial, no anything. I literally just grabbed my e-file and just started shaping it. And guys, tell me why I just fell in love. Like, I literally fell in love. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. It's actually pretty easy. What I will say to you guys is don't make the speed as fast as I made it. If you watch how I did mine, it's going really, really fast. Like, don't do that. I was just being a bit impatient. I wanted to just get it over and done with, you know, really quickly. Mainly because I had a bus to catch. I had to go home. I was filming it at my mum's, so I was in a bit of a rush. But basically, because the file was going so quickly, it kept slipping. And then when it slipped, it will make the points on the side uneven. Then I had to go to the other side and make it smaller and then make the crescent deeper. But by my ring finger, I pretty much got it right. Like, I got it, like, it just went pretty smoothly, like, and it came out really lovely. I love how it came out. Guys, let me know if you've ever done crescent tips before and what you think of them. I actually like them. I think they just added like a little bit of character, like personality to the nails. Right, for some constructive criticism to myself, I would say my ring finger, I should have filed it down a lot more. It's much longer than the other two. Well, not much longer, like I can notice the difference. I don't know if you can, but yeah, it was a bit longer, which is okay. These things happen. Okay, for further accountability, because that's what I made the channel for, to like watch my growth and like hold myself accountable a little bit and like document like milestones in my life and things like that. Let me just be transparent. Guys, I actually plan to do 25 days of Christmas, or 25 nails of Christmas, and like it was going to be back to back 25 days consecutively. I actually started on the 5th. I didn't start on the 1st. I just couldn't. But guys, I was a little bit disappointed in myself because I literally stopped after like 3 days, like 3 nails. This is the 3rd set of nails and I'm uploading it like at the end of the month. I did beat myself up a lot about it because I was like I don't really have much of an excuse as to why I didn't do it. But to be fair, my nail desk and everything, my whole setup is not here in my house. It's over at my mum's house. I prefer it to be there, like my setup's there. I love the setup over there. But yeah, I'm not gonna make any excuses. Hopefully, by God's grace, next year I'll be able to do the 25 days of Christmas. Oh my days, guys. I was a bit hard on myself as well because I saw nails by She did a 25 nails of Christmas, and every time I would see her video I wanted to click on it, but I was just feeling like, oh my days. I felt like it was calling me out, like calling myself out. I felt like if she can do it, why can't I do it? Like I had no excuse. And her nails, she has so many nice designs, and I was just feeling bad. Like, you know when you just start feeling bad about yourself, like and comparing yourself too much? So I need to go back and binge watch her videos. But yeah, you guys need to check out her videos. They're so cute. I love her nail designs because you know I love Christmas. But yeah, that's what went on this year. Ooh, life update a little bit. I joined the gym. I started at the end of October. I actually lost some weight. I meal prepped for the first time. I started taking protein shakes and all that stuff. I'm gonna quit the whey protein right now because it's not good for my stomach. So I'm gonna switch to the vegan protein, just see how that goes for me. I'm trying to switch gyms to one that's closer to me. So when I get registered, I'll let you guys know. It's actually smaller. I've been inside. I've had like a tour of the gym. It's smaller. It's got less machines, but you don't need too many machines to use. So I'll just get started with that. And then if I want to switch back, I'll switch back to the old one, the bigger gym. Did you start the video? Let me show the cake. Then you can have some. Okay, come and take them. You can put your hand in. Put your hand in. All the way in. Just grab the cake. Thank you. I initially planned to just scatter all the big Christmassy charms, the snowman, you know, the little penguins, the Santa Claus, the reindeer. But guys, it's me. I just couldn't resist the pink. You know, like, oh, come on. And it was just in my mind, like, oh, pink, 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 pink. So I grabbed it. I'm sorry. I just lied. I'm not sorry. I love it. I love how these nails came out. They are so me. They're so gorgeous. I'm like literally salivating right now. But yeah, I used the Be Glam top coat because it's very thick, so it acted a bit like a gel glue. It stuck everything on, even the big massive kawaii charms. It stuck them on really nicely.
My girl's on in that area. With 2 feet shut down that now. You know I won't put those for going on in a danger, making the trash be mental. My boss babe to pass your level. You're too sweet past sugar level. The party don't start till me and my girl show for the center. Me call man now down. Turn it up. You must bring the heat, the one I know the beat now. Hurry up. You must follow my lead now. We go higher, to the sky, with no retire. We don't get tired. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left, you ain't got nothing on me. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left, you ain't got nothing on me. My girl gang, then my girl gang. Yeah, we run down, then my girl gang. When your girl gang. Ah yeah, my girl gang. Then my girl gang. Yeah, we run down, then my girl gang. When your girl gang. Yeah. Where you at? Better call me something. Carry the call, your luck to go. Did you turn off the stereo? One time you see us for the corner. 2 times we fit dance for the center. Every time we walk out, got that lights going right. Turn it up.
nails are done. I'm so in love with them. I know I say this all the time, but these are my favorite nails so far. I'm so glad I went with the moon cut on the tips. I think I'll be doing it more frequently. If you watched the whole way, thank you so much. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.